Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. আজি আমি বনাবলৈ গৈছো Pokéball. So আপোনালোকে ভিডিও দেখিবলৈ চাই থাকিব।
I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. My best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me through. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
চ্যানেলটো যদি সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰা নাই তেতিয়াহ'লে সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰি দিব।